Hello friends, welcome to our channel Coding with Sudhir. Today we are going to download the latest version released of the Python software. So here is the total process available here. I think this will be helpful to you. Let's start. First of all, we will open our Chrome browser. Thereafter, we will go into the Google search box and here we will search Python download. There will be python.org site shown in the below menu. We will click on the download Python on python.org. In the menu bar section, you will be able to see download section. You have to click in the download section and thereafter a new folder will be shown, download for Windows, and in that window there will be Python 3.11.2. You have to click there. After clicking on that download window, there will be an exe file downloaded. Thereafter, you have to run that exe file after going into the download section. In the below section, there will be a checkbox. You have to tick in the checkbox and thereafter you have to click on the install icon. You have to press on yes. Thereafter, the installation process will be started. It will take some time. Wait and watch. After some time, the installation process will be completed. Thereafter, you have to click on the close icon. I think that this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe our channel. Your appreciation gives us the motivation to make such more videos. Thank you.